Before we start, we want to give thanks to our audience and subscribers. Please subscribe to our channel and gives us a like. We are doing a giveaway of 700 XRP the 31 of September. All you need to do is to comment this video Bitcoin to the moon. In this video, we will see the price prediction of Bitcoin for December. We will analyze Bitcoin price, BTC, Bitcoin news today, Bitcoin technical analysis, beginner tutorial Bitcoin investing, Bitcoin halving, crypto tax, Bitcoin news, Bitcoin prediction, Bitcoin price prediction, Bitcoin analyze, Bitcoin analysis today, crypto news, Bitcoin analyze. What is Bitcoin, BTC? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency initially depicted in a 2008 white paper by an individual, or gathering, utilizing the nom de plume Satoshi Nakamoto. It was sent off before long, in January 2009. Bitcoin is a shared internet-based cash, implying that all exchanges happen straightforwardly between equivalent, free organization members, without the requirement for any go-between to allow or work with them. Bitcoin was made, as per Nakamoto's own words, to permit online installments to be sent straightforwardly starting with one party then on to the next without going through a monetary foundation. A few ideas for a comparable sort of a decentralized electronic cash go before BTC. However, Bitcoin holds the qualification of being the very first digital currency to come into genuine use. Who are the founders of Bitcoin? Bitcoin's unique innovator is known under a pen name, Nakamoto. Starting around 2021, the genuine character of the individual, or association, that is behind the moniker stays obscure. On October 31, 2008, Nakamoto distributed Bitcoin's white paper, which portrayed exhaustively how a shared, online cash could be executed. They proposed to utilize a decentralized record of exchanges bundled in clusters, called obstructs, and got by cryptographic calculations, the entire framework would later be named blockchain. Only 2 months after the fact, on January 3, 2009, Nakamoto mined the main block on the Bitcoin organization, known as the beginning block, consequently sending off the world's most memorable digital currency. Bitcoin cost was $0 when initially presented, and most Bitcoins were gotten by means of mining, which just required reasonably strong gadgets, for example computers, and mining programming. The first known Bitcoin business exchange happened on May 22, 2010, when developer Laszlo Hanyecz exchanged 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas. At Bitcoin cost today in mid-September 2021, those pizzas would merit a shocking $478 million. This occasion is presently known as Bitcoin Pizza Day. In July 2010, Bitcoin initially began exchanging, with the Bitcoin cost going from $0.0008 to 8 cents around then. In any case, while Nakamoto was the first designer of Bitcoin, as well as the creator of its absolute first execution, he gave the organization ready key and control of the code archive to Gavin Andresen, who later became lead engineer at the Bitcoin Foundation. Throughout the long term, an enormous number of individuals have added to working on the cryptographic monies product by fixing weaknesses and adding new elements. Bitcoin's source code archive on GitHub records in excess of 750 donors, with a portion of the key ones being Vladimir J. van der Laan, Marco Falk, Peter Wheel, Gavin Andresen, Jonas Schnelli, and others. What makes Bitcoin unique? Bitcoin's most extraordinary benefit comes from the way that it was the absolute first digital money to show up available. It has figured out how to make a worldwide local area and bring forth a completely new industry of millions of fans who put resources into, exchange and use Bitcoin and other digital currencies their regular daily existences. The rise of the primary digital money has made a calculated and innovative premise that consequently motivated the improvement of thousands of contending projects. The whole digital currency market, presently worth more than $2 trillion, depends on the thought acknowledged by Bitcoin, cash that can be sent and gotten by anybody, any place on the planet without dependence on confided and go-betweens. For example, banks and monetary administrations organizations. The amount Bitcoin is in circulation? Bitcoin's absolute stockpile is restricted by its product and won't ever surpass 21 million coins. New coins are made during the cycle known as a mining, as exchanges are handed off across the organization. They get gotten by diggers and bundled into blocks, which are thus safeguarded by complex cryptographic estimations. As remuneration for spending their computational assets, the diggers get awards for each block that they effectively add to the blockchain. Right now, if Bitcoin send off, the prize was 50 Bitcoins per block. This number gets split with each 210,000 new blocks mined, which takes the organization about 4 years. Starting around 2020, the block reward has been divided multiple times and contains 6.25 Bitcoins. Bitcoin has not been pre-mined, implying that no coins have been mined or potentially disseminated between the pioneers before it opened up to the general population. Be that as it may, during the initial not many long stretches of BTC's presence, the opposition between excavators was moderately low, permitting the earliest organization members to gather critical measures of coins through customary mining. Satoshi Nakamoto alone is accepted to possess more than 1 million Bitcoin. Mining Bitcoins can be entirely productive for diggers, contingent upon the ongoing hash rate and the cost of Bitcoin. While the method involved with mining Bitcoins is mind-boggling, we talk about how long it requires to mine 1 Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap Alexandria, as we composed above. Mining Bitcoin is best perceived as what amount of time it requires to mine 1 block, rather than 1 Bitcoin. As of mid-September 2021, the Bitcoin mining reward is covered to 6.25 BTC after the 2020 dividing, which is generally $299,200 in Bitcoin cost today. The price prediction for US in December is $30,000 US dollars.